ROOIBOS tea face mask. Make a cup of ROOIBOS tea and let it cool down. Then mix it with honey and yogurt. Apply this mask to your face, then leave on for 15 minutes. Lastly, rinse this off and your skin will feel refreshed and energized. ROOIBOS tea facial toner. Make the ROOIBOS tea and let it cool down. Then put it into a spray bottle and spray mist onto your face after cleansing your skin. The antioxidants in ROOIBOS tea helps balance your skin's pH level and provides a natural glow. ROOIBOS tea eye compress. Steep the ROOIBOS tea bags, then let them cool down. Apply the bags onto your closed eyes for roughly 10 minutes. The anti-inflammatory properties of ROOIBOS tea reduces puffiness and soothes tired eyes. ROOIBOS tea hair rinse. Make ROOIBOS tea and let it cool down. Then use it as a final rinse after shampooing and conditioning your hair. This will enhance your hair shine, soothe the scalp and adds a natural healthy glow to your locks. ROOIBOS tea bath soak. Add a few ROOIBOS tea bags to your warm bath water and leave it to steep for a relaxing spa-like experience. The antioxidants in ROOIBOS tea helps nourish your skin, leaving it soft and radiant.